The third and final season of the comedy-drama science fiction television series The Orville, also known as The Orville: New Horizons, premiered on June 2, 2022. It streams on Hulu in the United States and on Disney Plus internationally. Filming began in October 2019 but was halted due to COVID-19, and production ultimately completed in August 2021. This season will be the first on Hulu after airing its previous 2 seasons on Fox, as well as the first to premiere since the Walt Disney Company's March 2019 acquisition of 20th Century Fox. The season will consist of 10 episodes, fewer than the previous 2 seasons, but each episode will run on average 12 to 15 minutes longer. Seth MacFarlane and John Cassar are the only directors for the third season. Filming began in October 2019 but was halted in March 2020 due to COVID-19, by which time approximately half of the season had been completed. Production resumed in December 2020 but was suspended once again in January 2021 following a COVID surge. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.